going to give you a little hearing test right now.
Okay.
When you can't hear it anymore, you say to me, stop, okay?
Stop.
Wow.